What's the best diet for prostate? The importance of maintaining a nutrient-rich diet for overall health is well established, but did you know that eating certain foods, and avoiding others, can significantly impact prostate health? Some research indicates that a vegetable-rich diet may decrease the risk of developing prostate cancer in the future, help improve the outlook for men living with this disease and reduce the chances of cancer recurrence. Foods to reduce or avoid. What you exclude from your diet is just as important as what you include. Per day, the meal diet allows for no more than 1 cup of whole milk, 2 to 3 ounces of red meat, 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 ounces of processed meats. Reducing or eliminating the following items from your diet can also promote prostate health and reduce cancer risk. Foods with added sugars, processed foods, white flour, sugary sodas and juices, tobacco products, alcohol, foods to add to the diet. While diet alone cannot cure or eliminate the risk of any cancer, proactively eating more vegetables, whole grains and plant-based foods has shown to positively influence prostate health and aid the overall prostate treatment process. The Men's Eating and Living Meal Diet, which was observed in a key study on this topic, consists of 2 servings daily of tomatoes. Tomatoes and tomato-based products contain the antioxidant lycopene, which may help protect against prostate enlargement. Antioxidants assist in ridding the body of free radicals, unstable atoms, that disrupt healthy cell function. 2 servings daily of cruciferous vegetables, Brussels sprouts, broccoli, kale, bok choy, turnips and cauliflower are rich in isothiocyanates that may help prevent prostate growth. 1 or more servings daily of carotenoid-rich fruits and vegetables. This important group of antioxidants is found in high amounts in oranges, cantaloupes, carrots, sweet potatoes and dark leafy vegetables. 1 or more servings daily of legumes or beans. Low-fat and protein-packed legumes and beans include chickpeas, soybeans, lentils, carob and peanuts. 1 or 2 servings daily of whole grains. This can include fiber-rich oatmeal, brown rice, quinoa and barley. Nuts such as walnut, pistachios, and almonds contain vitamin E and calcium, which are known to prevent prostate. Important observations. Studies show that maintaining a diet high in vegetables and low in animal fats may impede tumor growth. However, medical treatment is still vital to treating and curing prostate. Another factor that influences prostate health is obesity, which is linked to more negative prostate enlargement outcomes. Following the principles of the meal diet, cutting back on sugar, and engaging in regular exercise can result in weight loss as well as improved prostate health.